Hi everybody, welcome back to my
Double
channel.
tap. Play Store.
Talkback is an
Settings.
Android accessibility feature
Force
or
WhatsApp.
screen reader that provides voice
Window
feedback and notifications without the need to
Speech
look
rate
at the
100.
screen.
App Vault.
This
Good
helps
IQ.
visually impaired or blind
screen,
people
button.
use their
Open app drawer.
devices easily.
Speech rate 100.
In this
33
video,
seconds.
you will learn how to
Screen.
fix Talkback
0:35.
is on
6
Redmi,
screen.
Realme,
0:37.
and Xiaomi
5
Phone.
screen.
So let's start. Remember first, if you want to move, use 2 fingers of your hand. Can't use 1 finger. If you touch the skin with 1 finger, it will not move. And if you want to enter any app or option, then click on double. You cannot access any options or apps if you click single.
Settings.
First
Windows
of
System
Go
Launcher.
Phone Settings.
Settings.
And then search by Talkback.
Search. Search settings. Window settings. Search. Edit box. Double tap and hold to long press. T. A. L. K. B. A. K. Talkback.
Here first click on single on Talkback option for
Talkback. Additional
selecting.
settings. Accessibility. Vision. Screen
After
reader.
selecting, click on double to access. Now again click on single for selecting on the
Talkback.
use
On.
Talkback.
Switch. In list.
And then
Double
click
tap
on
activate.
double to turn off this option.
Stop Talkback. Tapping
Whenever
stop
the
Talkback.
option is
Out of
turned
list.
off,
Stop.
the
Button.
Talkback problem will be solved.
Talkback off.
Thank you for watching this video. If you get more update video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications icon.